Good morning, class 10. Today we will discuss the chemical properties of nonmetals. Chemical properties of nonmetals are also linked with the electronic configuration of their atoms. How they linked and what are the reaction of nonmetal with water, oxygen, we will discuss in this video. So let's start. Students, non-metals have tendency to gain electrons because mostly non-metals contains 4, 5, 6 and 7 electrons in their valence shell. So when they gain electrons, they becomes negatively charged ion and hence they are called anions. Thus, non-metals are also called electronegative elements. Example is like oxygen. Oxygen is a non-metal. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Electronic configuration is 2 and 6. 6 electrons are present in their valence shell. Therefore, it needs 2 more electrons. Hence, oxygen gain 2 electrons from other elements and it becomes carry 2 negative charge. This O2 negative charge particle is called oxide ion. And the electronic configuration of this O2 negative ion is becomes 2 and 8. It achieves the electronic configuration like neon inert gas. Similarly, in case of fluorine, atomic number of fluorine is 9, electronic configuration is 2 and 7. Here 7 electrons are present in their valence shell. It means it needs 1 electron to achieve the inert gas configuration like neon. So fluorine gain 1 electron and when it gains 1 electron, it becomes F negative ion. This F negative ion is called fluoride ion and it is anion. It means nonmetals are electronegative elements. They are anions. Now we will start the chemical properties, reaction of nonmetal with oxygen. When nonmetal react with oxygen, they form nonmetal oxide upon heating. And these nonmetal oxides are acidic in nature. Example is carbon when burn in oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Carbon is a nonmetal. When it combine to form carbon dioxide, this carbon dioxide is nonmetal oxide. Similarly, sulfur combined with oxygen upon heating to form sulfur dioxide. Phosphorus P4 combined with oxygen to form P4O10. Its name is phosphorus pentoxide. This is nonmetal oxide. These nonmetal oxides are acidic in nature because when they react with water, they form acid. Like carbon dioxide react with water to form carbonic acid. Formula is H2CO3. Similarly, SO2 react with water to form sulfurous acid or sulfuric acid. Phosphorus pentoxide react with water to form phosphoric acid. Reaction of nonmetals with water. Nonmetals do not react with water because nonmetals do not give electrons and it does not reduce the hydrogen ion of water into hydrogen gas. Next is reaction of nonmetals with dilute acids. Nonmetals do not react with dilute acid because nonmetals do not release electrons so that the hydrogen ion of an acid do not reduced in the form of hydrogen gas and hence they do not react with dilute acids. Now the next is reaction of nonmetal with salt solution. In this reaction, a more reactive nonmetal displaces less reactive nonmetals from its salt solution. For example, when sodium bromide react with chlorine, then chlorine is more reactive nonmetal than that of bromine. So that chlorine displaces bromine from its salt solution and to form sodium chloride, bromine is displaced. Now the next reaction is reaction of nonmetals with chlorine. Nonmetals react with chlorine to form nonmetal chloride and this nonmetal chloride is a covalent chloride. Covalent chloride means the covalent compounds are those which formed by the sharing of electrons. For example, when hydrogen react with chlorine nonmetal to form HCl hydrogen chloride. This hydrogen chloride is a covalent chloride. Similarly, phosphorus P4 react with chlorine to form PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trichloride is also a covalent chloride. Next reaction is reaction of nonmetal with hydrogen. Nonmetals react with hydrogen to form covalent hydride, means they form nonmetal hydride, and this nonmetal hydride is a covalent hydride. They are formed by the sharing of electrons. Example, when nitrogen react with hydrogen to form ammonia, this ammonia is a covalent hydride. Similarly, when hydrogen react with sulfur nonmetal to form H2S, this is hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is also a covalent hydride. Hydrogen sulfide has a characteristic smell of rotten egg, and it is used in the laboratory also. Now this is total about the chemical properties of nonmetals. So students, revise these topics. Thank you.